Hi everybody, welcome back. Scott Wessex Blade here. Now that I finished the blade belt guard, I'm sat here thinking it what Mr. Kaiser's given me, and there's two really massive bolt mounts on this section here. See? Center frame. The stage at the moment is slightly too low because my cutouts are there, so I get my plunge lines. Now my plunge lines are, grab a blade. That there. So that when I go onto the section that I've cut away, it allows the ricasso, the iron sharpen section, to go behind the belt to give me a grind there. Now, I haven't now used just blocks of wood, and that does the job. Indulge me 1 minute. Maybe. And on the other side is another bolt. Here. Slightly lower. I've got all this. Loads of it. Shed loads of it. I've got to have a go, haven't I? Time to rock!